Welcome to Corona Garden at Bandra Bazaar Road. This is Bandra Bazaar Road. This cottage that you see on this Corona Garden is where Mumbai Police Constable Mr. Anil Kamble died of COVID. He was a very good man, a very good friend. His children also are well known to me. But this is the proximity of this Corona Garden to Anil Kamble's house. There is silence over there. His wife and I were very close for one reason, because her father and I used to work together for MKD, Manmohan Desai Films. We had done Ganga Jamna Saraswati. He was a dressman and I was the fashion stylist working at Bada Saab. So her father used to like me a lot, Mrs. Kamble's father. So that is why Mrs. Kamble used to give me a lot of respect and used to treat me like family. I feel very sorry. And these are Municipal Conservancy staff. This is the worst place in Bandra. In the entire Bandra, you will never see a place like this. And Mr. Aditya Thackeray ji, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray ji, and our Mr. Iqbal Chahal, please see this. This is the worst place in Bandra, and I am staying just 2 buildings away. And I feel sorry for the Municipal Conservancy staff that work here without proper protective gear, without mask, without helmet, without safety shoes. This is a tragedy of India. No minister will come for a photo op over here, because this is true. Mr. Aditya Thackeray ji, Jai Maharashtra. गुरु पौर्णिमाची अभिनंदन आणि हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. ही बघा तुमच्या बांद्रा बाजारच्या एरिया. This is Bandra Bazaar Road.
गाड़ी
Right at the back are the drug addicts and the alcoholics. It's the most filthiest, dirtiest place in Bandra. This is the state of the BMC staff. Without PPE, without proper shoes. And Bandra Bazaar. Just see the state. And then people don't like me shooting all this. People feel, but I've been shooting this for last I don't know how many years now. When Congress was in power, now BJP is in power. Nothing has changed over here. Just clean up. And now in the rains, you can imagine the number of disease. I don't do this for money. I'm not a politician. I don't want to be a politician. I'd rather die than be a politician. I'm not cut to be a politician. Neither am I a social activist. I'm not part of any NGO. I do not belong to any political party. But when I see this is slavery, this is oppression of the poor people, of the untouchables. You imagine. I've shot over 250 videos, but no action is being taken over here. This is actually a market area. But now what has happened, there was a garbage dump next to the BJP office in Bandra that has been closed down. So everybody dumps the waste over here and there is no escape. I mean, these are the guys that should have the N95 mask or whatever you call it. Most of them don't even have gloves. They don't have the footwear, the safety gear, no safety gear. And I can assure you, there won't even be a first aid kit in this dumper. There were times when they got injured, I paid for it out of my own pocket. Not for any other reason, because I think these are the warriors, BMC warriors. They may not be called Corona warriors because they don't make that mark. But please, Mr. Aditya Thackeray Saab, just have a look at this. Mr. Uddhav Thackeray Saab, do have a look at this. I know you are very busy, but see the state. Dear Ashish Ji Shelar Saab, you stay in this area, do have a look at this. Madam Poonam Mahajan Ji, you have never come to this area, so you won't know much about it. But do have a look at it. This is a pathetic place. And I stay 2 buildings away. And I have documented this on the YouTube of failed Swachh Bharat of Modi Ji. Earlier, before the coronavirus, they did not wear masks. They could not afford it. Just see. One guy has a mask, gloves. The others don't have it. So this is their plight. And the BMC is the most heartless institution in Mumbai. If this garbage dump was near Shah Rukh Khan's house, or near Salman Khan's house, or near Ranbir Kapoor's house, there would be a huge, would have been a huge issue. But then this is next to the house of a MLA. But does it really matter? This is Bandra Bazaar Road. Welcome to Bandra Bazaar Road. So this is the beginning. It's unlocking itself. The dirtiest, filthiest area. I hope Mr. Uddhav Thackeray Saab sees this. This is the Corona Garden of Bandra Bazaar Road. I hope Mr. Aditya Thackeray Saab sees this. With all these years, with various parties ruling Bandra, nothing has happened. I don't want to name anyone. As a senior citizen, I'm just concerned about this. I stay just 2 buildings away. And that is the only reason. I'm not part of any political party. I'm not interested also. I'm not a social activist. I'm not part of any NGO. But Modi ji Swachh Bharat has taken a nosedive. It is here. ऐसा पकड़ से ऐसा पकड़ कुछ करना मैं. So this is Bandra Bazaar Road, and it is really bad. I have no reason to shoot all this. I have shot over 200 videos, but nothing has happened, and nothing will ever happen. Thank you. Welcome to Corona Garden, Bandra Bazaar Road. This garbage dump is very famous. People from different parts of the world have come here to shoot it. And soon it will be like the Mahalakshmi laundry, Dhobi Ghat, where you see crowds of foreigners shooting. And I have promoted this garbage as a fine art. And this is Bandra Bazaar Road. This road leads to, on the right leads to Bandra Examination. Ahead if you go. The BMC is not bothered. And everybody is aware of this. And this is Corona Garden. I stay 2 buildings away. That was a kite that just knocked my mobile phone. Mind you, this garbage is generated from the market, the municipal market of H Ward. But they have no solution of getting rid of the garbage. No incinerators, nothing. So many videos I have shot. It hardly matters. Nobody is really interested. Even the residents living here don't care. They are happy. ऐसा पकड़ना बटन मत दबाना. So this is a friend of mine shooting part of the video. This is the worst area in Bandra. It's the worst area. I mean, you won't believe it. And this is a BJP bastion. It's a BJP citadel. Once upon a time, the Congress ruled over here, but this is a really, really bad state of affairs.
दबाने के लिए जगह नहीं है, दबाने के लिए जगह नहीं, आपकी खुद देखो क्या दबाएगा, उसको दुकान में डाल देगा, क्या बोल दे रहेगा, दबाने कुछ नहीं, हम पता है कुछ मिल रहा है दबाने